Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 2, and today I'll show you how to enable the talkback functionality on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From the Settings, scroll down to Additional Settings, which is right at the bottom right here. When you basically flick all the way down, you can see it right here. And in the Additional Settings, you should be able to find Accessibility, which is right here for me. And first option right here, Talkback, tap on it, then toggle it on.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback.
Okay, so I muted it just so I can actually talk. I don't really want to go through this entire 5-page guide right here. That's something that you can go through when you will enable this. But going quickly over the things that you can do right here, which is probably also in the guide. We have navigation through the device, which changed. So now, as you can see, there is a green outline. Selecting whatever is selected, it will be basically red to you. Now this is considered as a one part, so it selects almost the entire screen. And you can switch between the options that are selected by just swiping on the screen left and right. When you swipe, it will select the next thing, which is, as an example, next, and obviously Talkback will automatically read what's selected right now. And when you want to confirm that option, you can just simply double tap it. You can also scroll to the next one again, which will tell you now the button selected is close. And if I double tap it, it will show up with this close tutorial. Obviously it reads this message right here, so again we can swipe, stay in tutorial, close, again double tap it, and it leaves it. So this is for the general kind of simple navigation right here. There's also additional ways of navigating, which I am using gestures. So anytime you would swipe on something, like swipe up on a page, swipe down, normally you would do it with one finger. Now you need to use two fingers, and this also applies to gestures because they are considered as a swipe. So if I want to go home, swipe up with two fingers, and if I want to go back, I'm just going to swipe up two fingers from the side. Now probably having gesture navigation with the talkback on isn't necessarily the best way, so probably having them off would be a better way. But when it comes down to, as an example, just navigating through the device, like the page where you can scroll, two fingers, and you get to scroll up and down. Obviously you can also flick through these and it will, as you will see, start scrolling up and down. So there we go. As you can see, it keeps on scrolling. Now for some reason, when it's at the bottom and then it flips back to the top, it doesn't actually flip all the way to the top of the page. It flips to accessibility and the next thing that's visible on the screen. So that is something that you probably might want to keep in mind, because you might hear options at the first go, but not when you flip back to them. So anyway, I'm going to disable this right now. So I'm going to select my talkback, double tap it, then select the toggle. Why is it not selecting? There we go. I think the phone for a moment stopped working. There we go, and now it's disabled. Now you can also suspend talkback by holding volume up and volume down. It will give you a message asking you if you want to suspend it, and you can do so. Now after reboot, it will be re-enabled. But anyway, this is the talkback function, and also how you can enable and use it in a very quick, brief version of it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.